welcome back to my channel. It's already July and we are more than halfway through 2019. It's been such a great journey with you, and I just want to continue my favorites video for the month of June, just to share with you guys the things that I've been using, loving, and also watching. And since you guys have been so supportive, I thought it'll be an awesome idea to throw a little giveaway for you guys, so don't go anywhere and stay till the end of the video. Without further ado, let's get on with the first item. Last month, I discovered this liquid eyeliner from a NYX boutique at Mid Valley Mega Mall. I was actually there looking for their brow pomade, but unfortunately they don't carry it here in Malaysia. So while I was browsing around, the sales consultant actually recommended me to this liquid eyeliner because I told her I had very teary and watery eyes, and she told me that this is very long lasting. So I purchased it, gave it a go for 50 ringgit, and I was very impressed. And it actually lasted through when I went out one time, but to take it to the next level, I actually applied it when I was filming my latest dance cover, Snapping. And it was really still intact after an hour of sweating and filming. But to be fair, the color kind of faded just a little bit, but the cat eye shape was still there. So if you are like me, you have teary and watery eyes, I would definitely recommend the NYX liquid eyeliner. Next item is a fashion favorite. It is this Rebecca Minkoff handbag that I've been pairing with most of my outfits in June, and it's the Kate mini tote bag. I like how it has two types of straps, and this is actually detachable, so you can wear it across your body, or if you want to carry it with the shorter handles, you can do that too. It's according to your preference. And also it has an extra compartment on the inside, like that, so I can keep my keycard or my lipstick. Although it's a tad small, but it holds most of my things very well, and I like the boxy structure. It's very sleek and the finishing is very shiny, and it goes well with most of my OOTDs. The third favorite item is a movie, and I've been raving it on and on to my followers on Instagram, my friends, and even my clients, and it is a great movie, and I practically grew up watching the entire series, and that is Toy Story 4. I've been such a huge fan of the franchise, and the first movie actually came out in 1995. So it's been about 24 years now, and it's really tough not to give away any spoilers, but I'll try my best to sum it up as carefully as I can. Just enough to convince you guys to watch it now. If you guys have not watched any of the Toy Story films before, it's basically about Woody. He is a cowboy pull-string ragdoll who loves his owners, his friends. He would even risk his life for them, and he also has a love interest named Bo Peep. You can see her in the first movie, the second movie. In the third movie, they kind of revealed that she was given away, so we don't see her at all. But in the fourth movie, we see a whole lot of Bo Peep. In the fourth movie, she has become this feisty, brave, and independent toy, and although she's considered as a lost toy because she doesn't have an owner, she's loving life, and there's a huge change in her character, and I absolutely love it. She's basically a badass. She and Woody met after being apart for many years, and they were on a mission to save Forky, a toy spork made by Bonnie. that was very funny. And in the end, Woody was left to choose between going back to Bonnie and his longtime friends, or to choose the love of his life, Bo Peep. Just a warning, you guys, prepare tissue because you might cry in the first 10 minutes into the movie, and also at the end, because I did as well. So give this movie a go, you would definitely love it. The next one is, of course, Club Mickey Mouse Season 3! Not to say that the first two seasons were not a hit, but somehow Season 3 was the season that we really brought our A game. We went to the next level with our original songs, choreography, games, and even comedy skits. To be honest, we worked really hard this season, and we were so happy when the first episode premiered on the 14th of June. And so far, we are at our 4th episode now, and I cannot choose my favorite because they were all so good. Last month, the Mouseketeers and I had a private screening on all 4 episodes, and we all agreed that this was our best season yet. So don't forget to catch us on Disney Channel, Astro Channel 615. And if you don't have Astro, don't be sad, it's okay. You can still watch our performances and comedy skits on YouTube. I will link it in the cards above and also the description box down below, so don't forget to check them out. So last month was also the month I moved into my new home, and it has been such a wonderful experience to make it cozy, comfortable, and homey. So I'm still in the midst of decorating it. Some of you actually requested already for a home tour, but I'm still kind of in the middle of perfecting it and waiting for a couple of more items to arrive, so the home tour video has to wait, so please bear with me. If you guys know me well enough, you would know that I am a candle freak. I just love lighting up candles, and for the past 2 weeks I've been just indulging in this Malone candle, and this is Orange Bitters, and I love the citrusy smell that it brings to my home. It's very fresh, and sometimes I would light it in the living room, in my bedroom, and even in the shower when I want to pamper myself. And this is very different. It's a special packaging. It comes with a gold cover and a gold label, which is very different from the normal Jo Malone candles. It looks super chic, and it looks very expensive as well. So it looks good everywhere as a decor piece, and I just love how luxurious it smells. Last but not least, it is Kiehl's latest Calendula range, and I've been using the foaming face wash, the toner, and also the Serum-Infused Water Cream. Used as herbs from centuries ago, Calendula is also known as marigold. It has many health benefits such as anti-inflammation, it promotes healing, and it also improves skin firmness and hydration. It is also proven to discourage cancer and reduce period cramps. Usually after cleansing, my skin would feel super tight and dry, probably because it was having a dry season previously. But after using this range, I noticed a huge difference and my skin became very hydrated. But if I were to pick one out of the 3, I gotta say my favorite is the moisturizer. It is very lightweight, and I'm gonna show you guys. And as you can see, it doesn't have a heavy texture, and it soothes and hydrates my skin immediately. And also, it smells amazing. It's not very pungent, which means that Kiehl's doesn't use any artificial scents. In collaboration with Kiehl's, I'm giving away 3 of this Calendula Serum-Infused Water Cream to 3 lucky winners, and all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel and like this video, follow me and my Kiehl's on Instagram, and tell me why you would like to win this moisturizer in the comment section down below. I will be choosing 3 winners randomly, so all the best! And that is a wrap on my June favorites. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any recommendations at all, please leave it in the comment section down below. I would really love to check them out. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do and join the family. We would really love to have you here in our little community. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, sayangs!